Hey, morning. How are you? Morning, morning, Raul. Morning. Stock market is looking good today as well. So let's get started. Let's get started. I hope you guys all banked yesterday. The SPY was like really doing great. Good today as well. All right. So what's going on? One thing is we're gonna start with the SPY and kind of go from there. So what's up, guys? How are you all doing? Facebook puts, probably puts not looking that of a great. Yeah, everything is. Oh wow, didn't expected that. But I did told lot in my TikTok video, and also I posted in channels and long term investing. Like right now that like 5960 area, like when it was just below the 50-day, it's a good time to. So I mean, if you got in, that would have been like blast. Like whether leap should be probably 3K, and it stocks depending upon what you got in. So yeah, that's one thing. For good stocks, you always buy on the pullback, right? Like, and those are the long terms, and you don't need to worry about. And the fact is, like, we don't know, right? And the other thing is, like, you don't get all in. So if you got in, congrats, man. Baba. Yeah, Baba. I think they sold up this mornings. I was kind of looking. They had a good earning, really good earnings. I like that number, but as you know, right? Like that's why I mean we say every time kind of don't play earnings, but I think it's a good time to maybe like the overall market looks good. I think the we can actually like we do have like some resistance around 80, 90, 90 plus will be really good setup, but if you want to add in, like you can add in like a little bit here, and but 90 plus will be really bullish. Like anything's above 90 will be good. So they sold off a little bit, but I think like they sold up more and kind of recovering. So I feel like they will kind of, they had a good earnings. Like the earnings was really good, but cause in the morning it was like 83, 84. So this is like pretty much recovered. So I think this looks pretty good. Mm. So let's look at the SPY, right? So SPY, where we are with the overall market on SPY. SPY. So I think I did a chart on our long time trend. So that was the trend before. If we go here, that was the long time trend, right? We did broke that long time trend, which was pretty bad. We went down, but we held that support, right? Before we kind of perfectly bounce off that, but we are back above, which is a good sign, right? We were below that, but we are back again. So kind of at least we are bullish now in terms of technical. um, so let's look at a few more things. That's what I see. back to the rising channels, and that should be a good sign. So let's look at Apple. A lot of people like Apple, and I have some. Yeah, yesterday I was telling, like, we kind of closed right above our downtrend right there. Also, it was a support from before, and boom, we are doing good on Apple's almost 117.70. That's great for Apple. What else we have? So one of the things I think it's happening is there was not a lot of people's expected Democratic sweep. That did not happen. So we have a divided Congress. I mean, a Republican Senate and House. Dems are probably gonna take House. Um, yeah. Again, presidency is kind of on the sideline. We don't know what's gonna happen, but seems like kind of the going towards Biden more than Trump. But we'll see as the result come in. But uh, market is loving is though. So basically, market was expecting if everything was democratic, then higher tax, more regulations, which is bad for the stocks. But that didn't happen, and hence we are rallying pretty good. So what else we have? All right, all right, all right. So Rob, you have put for 16th. So you have some time, but yeah, you will be. If you are planning to get by, maybe you are average down a little bit, but see the overall market, like if it goes up, down, you do have some time, but yeah, the market is looking strong, and it's in the channel. So 125 Jan calls. Yeah, yeah, that's true too. So if the stimulus pass, we rally for the short time. So you gotta look into a lot of those things, right? So uh, if you look at SPY, this is not SPY. Let's look at SPY. Yeah, but you cannot really see that, right? So if you look at this, I think this was pretty high too. Yeah, yeah. So if you look at this was pretty high too. We dropped, but we bounced back too. Here too, we pretty much, right. We dropped, we bounced back, we dropped, we bounced back. So there's not like again, there's some juice just to get to all-time high. Like what was that? I think that was all-time high, which was 158. So 158, 159. So we are almost there. Like we are 148. So not much, just 10 points. So if 2 days, like 2 5, yesterday we have 7 points. So pretty much within reach, maybe one day if we have a really good day, right? So we are almost there. So yeah, we are testing, so it will be kind of double top too, but we can breach it too. So it's not a nothing is guaranteed. And if you look at that, I mean, that was a historical high. We dropped, then we ripped through it, right? So again, on the long term, we're gonna go high. On the short term, we can kind of go in a sideway market. But right now, we are. If you look at the longer trend, see, look at that. That was a trend from just the March lows, right? And we bounce up perfectly. We breezed through that. That was a bad. So kind of started a downtrend, but we are back on that channel. We are back in the channels, and that's a bullish sign. So looks bullish for me right now. Yeah, yeah. A lot of things were oversold too. So let's look at PayPal. PayPal. Yeah, PayPal is back to 99s. Man, PayPal. Oh wow. Yeah, people literally did really well. So back to 99, we probably going to retest that. Bitcoin is coming up. I want to look at a Square. Square, one of my favorite for long terms. I added some, and I told you guys, I told a lot of people's. Um, it's in my TikTok, like for the top three to pick. I posted in investing channel, long term swing, and also I posted in Twitter. If you don't follow, don't forget to follow there. But I told a lot of people's like this was a good support, and we are at 50. Like 50, it was sold off because of I think one was acquisition or something. But man, if you got in here, you literally banked in. Like it's. Uh, and I wasn't even hoping, I wasn't even expecting it's we're gonna go this high that soon. So 50 to almost 80, right? 75, so 25 points within 2-3 sessions, right? So great. So we sold off till elections, then boom. So let's see what happens. And a lot of these tickers are doing really so Amazon doing great. Fastly, another one is Fastly, almost 70 to 95, right? So Fastly was so clearly, right, we had the we I think we draw yesterday, like downtrend. Pretty much seems like it's bottom out. There is some support around here, and yeah, I think it's kind of bottom out, and we're going there. Once we cross this should hold as a support, and see if we hold it. But yeah, and the good point will be like get in right after it breaches this support, like, and if it kind of hold it, then you can go long. That's around like 70 75. We have a good upside up to 90. So Fastly is in uptrend. Amazon is looking good. Amazon is looking good, and this is a really good stock for COVID cases increasing and everything. So a lot of techs are rallying because there's not more regulations coming in with the Senate controlling. So by Republicans. Yes, he doing great. Wow, wow, oh wow, that was huge. I didn't even see Docu was insane. 12%. Was it upgrade or something? Wow, that was one hell of a that was one hell of a ride for Docu, man. So next resistance is right around 45. We did touch there before. Let's see if we breach that. If we breach that, we're probably going to 64 and all-time high. But Docu looks really strong. All right, guys. So a lot of people were looking and asking for Neo. Neo is just like went too parabolic, but man, Jesus Christ, this thing does not stop. Man, I'm glad I didn't get put, but this is like crazy. I mean, it's pretty much all-time high, so you can do some fibs. 37, 27. So what would be 37 times 1.27? Wow, probably 40 next stop. Looks like, yeah, but right now risk reward is not too much, so I won't get in. If I see a lot of volume coming in, kind of get in and do the intraday. But right now it's just like wild west for this. But oh my god, Neo is, Google is 17, Facebook is 93, Nvidia, Apple, pretty much like there's nothing. I want to see BA. How's BA doing? Okay, it's right around 53, not really doing anything, just kind of struggling right around there. Another thing I was kind of telling was Lyft. It was right around here, and we, oh wow. So yesterday we had kind of green to red, but wow, what a volume. I think they passed one of the laws in California, the proposition something, where they were like whether they are regarded as employer or whatnot. So that's kind of that was kind of worry we dragged it down, but from 20 Wow. So from here we literally started. So that was absolute bottom. Oh, okay. So that was a see previous support right here. That was almost it respected that perfectly. I think right now we are pretty up, so probably we may sell off a little bit, but oh, that's a crazy. Yeah, Uber too, pretty hyper up. Tesla, Tesla is up as well. Okay, pins is 62, so that's good. So I do have some pins. I will probably sell maybe today if it looks good. But overall, looking really great. Oh, that's good, Michelle. I mean, if you made money, money is money. Yeah, hold it. So Samin, like what I would say is look into like whatever trade you do, look into it, like make a little bit. One thing is like a lot of just don't. Somebody says just look at yourself and think, do you think it's a good setup, right? And also have a plan, right? If it doesn't work in your favor, get out. And if it works in your favor, maybe just whatever trend line or whatever day trading or whatever. And also if you have some like, hey, 30% is good enough for me, take profit, right? So if you have 1000 play 30%, that's 300 in a day is a really good, that's 9000 in a month. Yeah, I have a BTC, but I'm not taking profit. BTC is my darling. Yeah, that's the problem with when is a square so pretty much everything is really bullish right now. Let's see. So square is way above that. um, so if we hold this level, I think we are going to 80s. Yeah, I mean almost 77. I think we'll see 80 today. That's some resistance right there, but oh, earning is 5. So today is 4, right? Oh, so today after hour. Yeah, we may have run up, but yeah, earning, I won't really play earnings. It's just like you saw that, right? Earning is like, at least in this quarter, what I've observed is everybody is beating the earnings and they are selling. Like that's what happened with the PayPal too, right? It's rallying after the earnings, so maybe you can get a deep buy opportunity. Maybe I want it back again 150 and add more. But yeah, so what was that? Oh, PLTR. I have PLTR leap, like few leaps, and I haven't even seen, but okay, nice. Okay, it's kind of creating a nice base, and anything break of this 1095 will be really great. So we are struggling there, so we may kind of break it soon. But yeah, 1095 breakout will be really good. So we are kind of struggling, and so pretty strong though. Even if the market sold off, it's kind of hanging around there. So earnings coming soon too. Oh, wow, they were positive earning. Hmm, that's interesting. I thought they were losing money, so that's a good sign if that's the case. Pretty, pretty new. So yeah, but yeah, if you're looking for long term, you can add. I have leaps, like I have leaps. It's just like it doesn't have a really good base. You can day trade, but I have leaps for this, so I'm not even looking that much actively for PLTR. All right. Also, if you have not, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that like button and subscribe as well, and follow in other social media. Uh, yeah, that's great morning. I mean, whenever you, yeah, exactly. ER is like, it's always been that. Sometimes what happens is like ER is really bad and it's just like it's up, up, up. And one thing is like most of the stocks are really up. That's why. Yeah, stock is fine. At least you have that. See, Ral, one thing I have realized is lot of times what we feel like, for example, Neo, right? Oh man, it cannot be. It's just going up and up and up. It's time to go down, but you could get burned. It can go up for next 30 days, right? Then you'll be like literally losing like 80, 90%, and the day you sell and boom, it just goes down. Yeah, true. Stock is always safest bet. Option is option unless you have like deep in the money. Stock is at least like you'll have something, right? Well, it can go bankrupt and go zero, but at least have with the options, unless you are really deep in the money. So I'm talking about, let's say, Apple 50 or Apple 40, right? That's and actually that can even happen. Apple is 2 billion, so Apple can get to 1 billion if things doesn't look good and they start maybe not increasing or not increasing revenue or something. That may happen, right? So at least if you have stocks, you at least have $50 worth. But if you have options and if you have 50 call, and if by expiration it's not above 50, you lose all. So yeah. Me too. I did play PayPal ER, but I didn't play like really conservative ER. I got in like almost break even. I lost like 5% or something, so I won't say that loss, but I just sold it quickly. That's all I played. It was a gamble, just the $500. I just wanted to just see. I thought it's gonna do well, but I did well. Well, I should have kept it now. It's up now, so that's different story. But yeah, ER are all over. I'm watching mostly techs, and these are all my watch list. So Square may be a run up. They're looking at SPY as well. I'm looking at Fastly, really uptrend. So if it holds or not. Uh, okay, we are at 76 and DKNG as well. ZNG, come on, is it running? Okay, that's good. I want this GNG to go up. What's happening in here? And yeah, I totally forgot a lot of the weed stock, right? TLRY. I had some leaps. I got it like last week, so I got really good price. I got in around here, but yeah, this is up 15%. So I kind of said it was up more, but kind of selling off right now. So Tilray is really up. So watch out for this Tilray. And what's all? What was that? GW, whatever it was that. Mm, okay, that's good. Yeah, I have CGC. CGC is looking good. What else we have? GRWG. So these are all with stock. So maybe watch out. And also silver is looking good. Silver is up 3-4%, and gold as well. So lot of things happening, but overall we are bullish. But a lot of selling off happening. It went from almost 20% to 16%. Uh, Amazon is kind of, yeah. That's what I don't like about this. Man, that was a good one right off. Yeah, Doku was almost 40, so kind of going down. So it's just like you don't get benefit and option, but Facebook looks really strong though. 89.90. Let's look at Baba, where we are with Baba. Yeah, one thing I've realized, like if you sell it right at open, you'll get a little bit more because market is still deciding. So even the people was really dropped after the earnings. I just had like limit order, like I put like 5% down and it executed. When I saw a few minutes back, it was down significant, like 50% down. So, but I just got out. So one thing is like if you're selling, it's a really good time to Oh yeah, I will get in at 80. I will get in at 80. I'll just get one contract, and I may. I like 80. It just somehow it's been holding that pretty well. So that would be actually a good call if it goes 80. Um, yeah, a lot of times you can even get spread for like 3 weeks out or something. Then if it works really, so if you get 3 weeks out and if it's like $5 up, right, you'll make some money. When you if you make some money like 30-40%, you can get out, right? But rather than if you just get weak and it doesn't work, then it's hard to get out. One thing is you need a patience. A lot of people I see is like, oh shit, it's because you're getting weekly and you want quick money. So the name of the game is slow and steady wins the race, man. I mean, that's what it is. Fisker. Yeah. I think I have some Fisker. Yeah. It is FSK, right? Is it Fisker? I don't know what is the ticker. Fisker ticker. Mm-mm-mm. What's the ticker? Sorry, just type it out. What's the ticker? Can you type it out? I forgot what was the ticker. Kushal, Kushal. Uh, EFSR, FSR, FSR, FSR. Okay, EFSR. So this was one of those. Yeah. One thing is I haven't really looked into earnings and whatever they have. It's a hype company. So again, this like just like a Neo, right? I guess. Yeah. Yeah, Fisker is the Fisker Automotive, right? If I'm correct. So just like a Tesla, so you can get in, but I don't see really good base. This was a good base around right around here. I got in actually, but it's all over. So I haven't really researched into company like for long term, so don't know much. So I can't really comment. But right now, I don't see really good base to get in though. It was a downtrend, but up then kind of seems like a down. So all over. One thing I would like is IPOB. Was it IPO? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one is really nice. I really like this. This is basically gonna be a open door. Open door is just like a Redfin and Zillow. So they buy the house and they sell. So they do through them, and they've been growing. Like I really like. I've tried some of their like. So basically, you don't need any agent or whatever. Just download the app, go check it out home. So you don't need to worry about calling or something. So I like the experience, right, where everything is going online. So I really like this company. I added some in the dip. This is a I added the stocks. I think they have options too, but I added. I'm not sure, but I can you can check it out. Probably not, but I added some stocks, so you can slowly add. But yeah, just but always slowly add, right? So for example, if you are getting planning to get 100, get like 25 today. If it goes up, at least you are in the game, right? If it goes dip, you can add more 25. So again, you have to believe the company, do your own research. But I like this one. Oh, that was the day when they said they're gonna be the open door. So I like open door. So look into that. But right. Yeah, that's true. That's what I said. One thing is like at least New has the product and everything, right? And Open Door has a product. They are so if I have option, I'll just go. I'm not sure if I'll be streaming, so I'll be here for a couple hours. Right. So yeah, we'll see like how the demand and gonna be. And one thing is like EV will get saturated eventually. Like GM is coming out with EV, Ford is coming out of EV. So I think Tesla has the first hand advantage, just like a Bitcoin or like a Apple or something. So Tesla are the pioneer. So they will always be advantage that they always already have a good brand and everything. So a lot of this new, they will have a lot of competitions and scaling and production, a lot of issues. So where's so where is okay, there's DKNG. Yeah, DKNG is going down as well. So see, lot of that's why you want to form a trend. Like we gapped up, but a lot of sell-off coming in. Except Facebook looks really freaking strong. Why is Facebook so strong? Was there any news or something? We gapped up high yesterday, and today is a boom. Oh wow, Apple is looking very strong as well. Wow, PayPal is 200. So where is our Baba? Is it 80 yet? Oh man. Okay. I'm gonna look at pins. Okay, I'm gonna sell my pin. I got it like 58 or something, so should be up nicely. Okay, okay. Where are we with the election? We are in the same place. Man, Georgia is so tight now. 14, 24, 34. So, wow. Nemada has not reported from yesterday, and that's interesting. So let's go. Oh, that's good. So let me do. Somebody was saying Neo. Let's do. Okay. Below the VWAP for today. But if it goes above VWAP, could be a good point, or get above 39. Above 40 will be good. Like a lot of FOMO will come. Oh, don't forget today. I think we have FMOC. So that's um, how the Fed gonna react. So that will, and hopefully we probably have some decision around the election and everything. So let's see. So who is in Jumia Technology? Look at this. This is, see, I told to a lot of peoples, and I think Doggy was telling from long time too, right? I was adding this on the dip. I have almost 10 contract right now. So 10, that's $5,000 worth if they get in the money by what do you call January. They are January, so 2 months. Like we are almost there, right? Just 2 months. Jan something. But look at this, we dipped here, then again boom. I think we are going heading to, so I think you can still get in, but I'll get January. So those are leap. I have $5 spread, like 15, 20. So they are probably like, what's the price right now? Yeah, they are 15, 20. Nice. They do have earnings coming up, so earning will probably like give a little bit more clarity. So one thing is like with earnings, you should always reduce or maybe get out if you are up. Earning is like just hit or miss, right? So you can add back, but everybody wanna smoke ganja. That's why. Ganja means weed. I don't know how. Who told you, Eddie, what ganja is? Well, Brittany, that's a good news. PLTR will get green. So you had the stocks? Okay, that's good. Oh, that's good. So I had a stock. So what I did was I had a stock. So stocks was, I had like 300 or 400 stocks for PLTR. Then I was like, I sold it when I was profitable, like not much, a little bit, like 100, $200. Then what I did was, then I waited for a little bit of dip, and I got like five call for, I don't know which year, 22 probably. Yeah. So $5 call, so which is basically pretty much cheap, right? So I got like, I think I have 10 or something. So I got like for that 500, almost double you can get. So yeah. Yeah, if you have raw, let me, I'll smoke. I don't smoke. I don't smoke cigarettes, but I smoke green. Ganja from Himalayas. That sounds good. Yeah, I remember like back home, like you can go to some village and just get some ganjas. No money needed. Oh, that's good, Ra. Yeah, that's true. But they're like too much in government. Government, like I think they probably not gonna garlic cookies. That sounds good. Oh, really? That's cool. Then we'll live stream. That would be funny. Yeah, PLTR is doing so. If Uber, that was a good volume. So nice. So if Uber, what was that? Yeah, 41, 47. Oh wow. I think Uber could be a good if it breaches all time high. Man, Uber literally like did U-turn like when they are not really making a lot of money. That's a great news for them. I guess they are cutting cost pretty nicely. So 42, 41. Oh wow. So a lot of money pouring into FMOC. Let me see. Did my PLTR execute a test T? Well, I got away two pins with 40% almost, so that's good. Mm. Oh, wow. Apple is like 119. Jesus Christ. Apple has been roller coaster on the both side. Like literally from 108 to 119. Okay, BA is going up a little bit, so that's good. Probably not. BAC. Docu is. Wow. Docu is crazy. Okay, PI looking good. PRM is decent. Lockdown. Okay, not a bad day today. QQQ, let me see. QQQ looks really strong. We can actually, yeah, 94. Yeah, I think we can see that would be some resistance right around that previous top, but I could definitely see 97. Yeah, 97, 98. There's some resistance though, so there's some resistance, so we probably gonna close below, but we can definitely touch. Looks pretty strong right there. Once you breach 300, we go ham. But be careful, we have FMOC, so I don't know how that's gonna pan out, but usually a lot of Tesla is moving. Yeah, look at that. Tesla perfect bounce, broke through the downtrend, clearing up. I think we'll touch that 59 level soon, maybe within a week or so if we are strong. And also remember, right? EV is really good with the Biden presidency, so and California is doing a lot of measures for that, so that's gonna help, and probably that's what helping. He's not coming live, otherwise I'm right there, but somehow he's busy or something. Weed is doing great. Oh man, it's again 20% almost. Look at that. It was right below the VWAP, right at VWAP, right above that. That's extremely bullish, right? That's a bullish. Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to somehow. What the heck going on? Somehow my voice is what's going on? I don't know, but oh yeah, I'm trying to connect, but somehow my Discord is messed up. Huh. Yeah, I'm in, but why the heck not working? It says connecting. That's weird. Yeah, I think Discord voice is somehow it's I don't know. It says connecting, it's not connecting. I never had that problem. Something is okay. 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 I'm in now. Yeah, I think now should work. Somehow it wasn't connecting for some reason. Oh, that's good. Neo Scout. And look at this. As we're talking, this is look at the volume too, right? So smaller red volume, but boom, with stock really. So this was like, remember, right? This was like crazy. What was that? It was like what? It was 100 or something, right? Jesus Christ. Yeah, this was like almost what? Almost $300. So if this works,
Bro, how come I can?
I can hear you.
Roger.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hold on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so something was wrong with my Discord, so I disconnected, restarted the app, then it's working for some reason. Man, look at the with stock, man.
That works now.
Look at Tilray. Look at Tilray. Tilray is literally a beauty. Boom.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's all yeah. It was like every week I was going up, but I got Jumia.
Oh yeah, I mean I have like I have January 21. I have 10 spreads, so 15 20. So if it's 20 above, that should be 5K.
Yeah, I got leaps. Yeah, I got some of a Rocket as well because Rocket's gonna take off.
RKT?
Yeah, hell yeah. This is gonna take off. I don't know if you saw my cause I I think on Sunday I put an alert on it because it made a fat inverted head and shoulders. So I said to get in at around $19. It's at 21, and,
Yeah.
and they have DR coming up. So if they do good on this DR for sure, they are gonna like run.
And yeah, I saw some people, they were also going to the auto insurance and everything, so that should help them.
PLTR though, I've been telling you about that thing.
And look at
I've been
this. They also they were like downtrend and right now in uptrend for RKT. So that looks good above support of 20. Yeah, 20 good support. So yeah, RKT looks good actually. I like it.
What's up, man?
look at freaking PLTR, bro. We've been calling this shit.
Dude, I bought contracts a month ago.
Leaves, bro. I am printing.
Yeah, for sure.
Printing. There's no reason for me to sell. It's for I have 2 years.
I added more yesterday because the setup was too good. But we're good.
Oh man, Neo is all-time high 40. Jesus Christ, when is this gonna stop? I wanna short Neo so bad.
Man, I've been looking at that too.
Yeah,
Neo.
this has been
That
like
thing's gotta pull. It's gotta pull back.
yeah, it's gotta really pull back. This is like it literally went from like 400% within few months. It was like $10 like 3 months ago.
I feel like it's gonna have one of those like DraftKings pullbacks.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. It's
40%
gonna it's
pullback.
gonna. I think playing downside will be good. Maybe it could be earnings like bad earnings, which coming on 17 November. So
Right.
yeah, if the earnings are really bad, it can literally go down.
Well, this Loki could be the head forming on Neo on the 4 hour time frame.
Yeah,
It looks like a head because I see a left shoulder. I don't know about y'all, but I see a left shoulder.
yeah, yeah.
It's just gonna be hard to time.
Yeah, I can see that. Like, yeah, yeah. Slightly, if you adjust, kind of. Yeah.
Come on, Jumia. Break this and we take off. We explode. Oh, yes. Oh, shoot. We are broken. But okay, yeah. I'm looking at 24 on Jumia.
Man, I haven't looked at, like somebody was mentioning Nikola. I haven't looked at Nikola crap in a while. Oh, okay, it's a 19. Well, it's not dead yet, so that's a good thing.
That stock's trash, man.
Yeah, it is a trash. Literally, he left, and I don't know. Did he went to jail or something? Well, he got a lot of money, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of sidelining, but seems like it's holding good support around 18 area. Tesla.
You're in a pig. Please, Jumia, just go parabolic. This thing's gonna rocket, bro.
Hey, doggy, somebody is saying like your stream is not working for some reason.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm just gonna start a new one.
Okay, okay.
DraftKings about to go. Grab a new hive day. Trying to break.
Oh yeah, 42. That's looking good. Looks like DraftKings downtrend has finished. Oh, they do have earning coming up, so earning value maybe.
Look at PLTR, bro. That thing was a beauty. Oh yes. Oh, this shit's going up. Oh, this shit's gonna go parabolic. I'm looking at okay. It could definitely hit 12 bucks, 12.10. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw these levels because I know they're gonna hit. Shoot, I might just stop playing day trade and let's do these long term outlooks with these fat long term swings because these shits be hitting. That's
You
what
know,
long-term.
that's kind of what I've started doing. I don't day trade very much anymore. I sell a lot of premium.
Yeah, that's what I do. I sell a lot of premiums, and also a lot of times what happens like I try to day trade, and if it goes up really nice, I mean I don't try to I swing, but if I'm up nicely, I'll sell it same day. So, but yeah, Tesla is 35.
ER
Tesla is
talking about
nice
more
curling up.
up PLTR. That's what I hope. I hope they miss it.
Plug. So plug and okay, let me look at plug. Plug was sold off pretty bad, but okay, yeah, it's up. So bottomed out. See, this is one of the so it's going almost bottom, and look at the candles, like big candle, small candle. These are bearish, all bearish, but momentum is kind of losing, right? Sellers are losing momentum, and also if you look at that, the volume is down, so kind of dying off, and this is holding this support, and boom, then comes the big green candle, boom boom boom. So within from 14, till 18. So yeah, I don't really get in, but I'll get in like if it's a breaks this all-time high of 18.98. But they have earnings, so uh, don't play earnings. It's mostly hit or miss gamble. If you wanna really play it. But yeah, as you saw with Baba, where's Baba at? Oh, it's 83. I'm getting Baba like swing if it's touch 80 and probably scaling. I think it will. I like their earnings numbers were good, so
Oh shit! I think we might go higher because I forgot the Nasdaq is in the channel, and we're gonna reclaim this channel too. I forgot all about that.
oh yeah, it's
'Cause we,
back into the channel. Like even SPY too from that bottom, it's back to that up channel.
oh shit, not for me. No, I'm talking about like this big channel was in.
Oh
I'll drop it in the chat. Yeah, the Nasdaq was in the channel before it freaking had that fat sell off. But as of right now, if we go back in that channel, we're definitely gonna make all-time highs.
yeah.
But we're either gonna make that or the market's gonna crash. So I'm looking at 12,250. No, yeah, so no, around 12,200.
ELTR, man.
Sir. Bro, I better not hit bro.
It's gonna hit 12.
Someone better not chase that. Oh yeah, cause I got my level set with my Phillips. I'm looking at 1210 and
Okay. And what was the second one?
Thank you
cause
guys. Thanks.
so I'm looking at 1210 and 13 and 1298. So rounded out, it's like 13 flat.
I had a level at 1205. I know we should probably draw them a little differently.
Tell us your interest after 10 minutes. We missed it. You don't need to tell us we enter this way. Bullshit. Bullshit. I've been telling y'all to enter PLTR since at $9. I've been telling y'all to buy Leaps. I even showed y'all this triangle on the weekly. This fat triangle on the weekly chart. I've been telling y'all. But y'all don't listen. And the wick fishing at 11:42. I even said for PRCR, it is gonna come back up to here because we only left a wick on the higher time frame. A candle body didn't close up to here. It was pretty obvious, and they're a new IPO.
Yeah, I like Baba as a leap, but it's gonna be expensive though. Baba is expensive. It's 283. So
I've been telling y'all. I've been telling y'all. Like I've been saying, oh, if you want to buy shares, if you want to buy Leaf, I'm in Leaf. I even gave him like the strike price, a $10 strike price. But I think at least were like they only cost me about like $4.30 a piece.
oh man, look at that candles. I wasn't even looking. You're like, why you are screaming so much? Now I see. Oh man, it's like 10% up. Okay, that's nice. See, that's beauty about Leap, and this is like so super cheap, right? Like even if you get
Oh
in
yeah,
right now, it's pretty cheap. And for Leap, and a lot of people just like you get scared when you have two red days or three. It's a Leap. You have 2 years, right? Unless like I mean, you are literally getting some penny stock. This is like proven company, which has been like 10 plus years and a lot of government contracts and whatnot. So
with Leaf, shoot, I gotta sell my contract and get shares. That's why I like them. Especially, oh yeah, this shit's gonna pay. Let this thing run off.
yeah,
Let this thing go
Thanos
parabolic
is
before
fired
the
up.
ER.
Seems like he ate some Himalayan cookies. Thanos, you had some cookies this morning?
Cookies. I want cookies. Yeah, so DOCU, bro, that shit went from 204 to 241.
Nice,
I
that's good. I'm gonna check my leaps.
know just playing. Jemiah is still in play. I don't care what anyone says. Jemiah is still in play. I'm still looking at $24 on Jemiah. Want to know why? Because it left a wick up there and it didn't leave a body of a candle.
Leap is basically a year plus, so you can get like at least a year or more. Um, you can sell it anytime.
I got 2 years out on that shit.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, you have a lot of time. Somebody was asking what is leap. That's why I was kind of explaining. But yeah, longer
But
the
watch
better.
this.
You have time, right? So
Yeah, it's gonna hit this level at 1210 and it's gonna bounce. It's gonna watch. It's gonna bounce. Show your chart on Neo. What chart, bro? I can't mark Neo. What chart you want me to show on Neo? This thing's at the all-time highs. My marker is down here.
people,
But I
people.
haven't been. I don't know if y'all are subscribed to my trading view or to my Twitter, but I've been saying buy leaps on Neo at 21. I even said if Neo breaks over 21 over my trend line since the IPO, since September 2018, September 10th, I drew a trend line and I just moved it to the right. And I said if Neo breaks over 21 and holds 21, it would go parabolic. I guess no one took it.
What
Cause
the
that shit
heck?
took.
Crocs is at 57. Jesus Christ! I totally forgot about this.
Today, I don't know, bro. It might. I mean,
Wow.
it might come close to $40 because 40 is a mental number, and a lot of people,
Huh.
not just you, are thinking that Neo will hit $40. So it might. It's either gonna hit $40 or it's gonna come close to it. Because you gotta realize you're not the only one who wants Neo to hit $40. Because I bet a lot of people have sell orders at $40.
Oh man, all these companies just need Justin Bieber, huh? So there is not a different procedure. So basically, all you need to do is just get the what do you call? Get 1 year's out call. That's all. There's nothing. You don't need to do anything differently for Leap. It's just the call option. Yeah, I don't like them too. It's just like the company stock. I used to see that it stocks at $13, $14, and I saw they are like 50 something. So that I was just surprised. That's all. No love with Neo.
Raj, Daddy called Neo. You want to check on my trading view? Y'all want to check on my trading view?
Oh yeah, I saw that. Neo, like you
Dude,
literally post. You even told like leaps, get the leaps. I remember that.
I've been telling you, I said Neo over $21. Like it's simple TA. If you have a trend line on, this is why I like the higher time frames. Cause when stocks make these freaking flags and triangles on the higher time frames, they move a lot more. And if you break a heavy resistance on the higher time frame, more than likely or not, it's gonna explode to the upside. That's why I hate using the 5 minute in the lower time frames because you don't see the overall move. I said a ascending triangle, wick fishing up at the trend line. More than likely, price is gonna push up to this level. As long as you sit on top, like there's no resistance. But shoot, I'm gonna start playing these long term plays honestly because you make more. They hit too. But ACVI is making a handle. Or is that a falling wedge? It's making some shit. But I'm still not gonna sleep on them. Now, how about JKS? How they do, bro? Ooh, JKS going back up to $90, Phil.
So solar's on fire today.
Bro, I'm telling you, on JKS, it's going back up to 90. It's going back up to $90. I don't know by when, but I know it's going back up to 90.
JKS,
It will go back up to 90.
in phase, FSLR.
So I might have to lotto some December call. November 20th. I think that's it. But I'm telling you, it will go back up to 90. It will definitely go back up to $90. Want to know why? Because we only left a wick up there on the higher time frames, and we didn't close with the body of a candle. We did the same thing on PLTR, and look at PLTR. Not only did it come up to that wick, but it went up higher. And just by looking at the chart of JKS on the highest on the weekly time frame, right over this level right here, we're gonna fly. Oh yes. But I hope y'all got into that play too, because I know I put a chart on that. You were calling Neo trash last week. Oh yeah, I was calling it trash last week, but on the long term outlook, did I say Neo was trash? I even told y'all to get leaves.
I was telling. I think I just posted this PDD in Swing channel. Watch out for this. Look at this, man.
I still have spy puts. Yeah, I still have that spy put. I've been out for 2 weeks. And I got it deep in the money for a reason. Bitcoin 15K, 15K. Oh yes, crypto's gonna go on a run soon. So I'm definitely gonna watch Riot. Yeah, I would watch Riot. I would definitely watch Riot because last run on crypto they went up to $46. So Riot is on what? Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the chat right now. But yeah, RKT definitely gonna go back up, dude. ED, my God. Jemiah's gonna go for a ball. But Bitcoin has been pushing for days now. Y'all don't understand Bitcoin, bro. It hasn't pushed yet. Oh, this thing's going up to like 17,000. This thing's not going to no 15K. Oh yes. Do y'all see my arrow? This means it's time. I think it might be time. I'm gonna have to text Monty. Shoot, I gotta buy more coins because I think it might be time for this run.
See, a lot of time you gotta like, if you are swing, look at this. This was I just posted like 2 or 3 days ago. Yeah, 3 days ago, and look at that, boom. And same with the PDD as well. Nice breakout, right from the all-time top, and boom. So you just need patience and look for the tickers with a good base. Oh, crowd literally went bottomed out, then up 41. Wow.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Hey, is that Anthony?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Hey,
a lot of Riot.
hey.
I'm gonna get some Riot, honestly.
Do you end up playing RKT?
Yeah,
Are you still on that?
yeah. I forget. I saw the inverted head and shoulders. That was an easy trade.
So this is the head.
In the head. Wait, what are you talking about?
Which time frame are you talking about?
On the four. Let me go to it. It should be on the 4 hour time frame. No, it should be on the 1 hour time frame.
Yeah, in the 1 hour I see it somewhat.
Yeah. Yeah, the right shoulder forms at a 1908. That's when I think I said to get in, but it was nice. But Bitcoin is going to 18K. You know, it's my awesome high. So Riot is on my watch list. I'm definitely watching Riot because if Bitcoin does blow past 20K, it's going to turn baller.
Looks like Neo's filling a gap.
Oh, the downside gap.
Yeah. Looks like it has to go. Well, actually, I think no, I felt that yesterday. Wait, is market open?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this, because I have in the 5 minute, I have a head shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. Where's July today?
I think he had to go to like a doctor yesterday.
Yeah, I think he had something happened with his dog, and probably that's
Oh,
why.
yeah, they mentioned. Anthony, you playing Neo calls to 40? Hell fucking no. I'm playing Neo puts. I've been just buying every spike.
Yeah, pretty much Robinhood and even in Webull, pretty much all the platform tells you like when there is earnings. You should have a setting, so if you wanna check it, just Google. Your earning whisperer will have all the earnings if you wanna see
Oh
some.
damn, his dog passed away. Jeez. Damn, sucks. IWM did have a golden sweep for next week too. Oh yeah, those sweeps are eating. Because that was on Monday for next Friday. That person's up probably over 100%. Am I still Neo puts? Yeah.
Doggy,
But
seems
Neo
like
puts.
Bitcoin is going to 18K.
What'd you say?
Seems like Bitcoin, if you look at monthly, it just broke pretty much all-time high on monthly for Bitcoin.
Yeah, you see my chart? I put it in the room. But I had that chart on that for Bitcoin. I had this chart marked up for like a year now.
Oh
But
wow.
it's going to 20K. I'm telling y'all, it's going to go past 20K. That's what I'm saying. Watch Riot, cause the last time we took off, Riot went up to $40.
You are correct.
But it's going up to 18K. Then if we break over 18, it's going to the all-time high. If we break over that, I don't know how high we're gonna go this time. And but this time it should be more.
Man, we're going 50K, man. Once we get 100, 200, I'll retire.
Oh, Neo. Head and shoulders gonna be a beauty there. So I uploaded the Webull up, and I need a lesson at all. The order book has a lot going on at once. Green equals buy, red equals sell. Don't worry much about like the orders below that. Just look at what like the big graph that I typically share. That's pretty much an idea for you to see. So the right side, the red, it's um, the sell, and then the left side, the green is it's the buys.
The Meyer about to get nice.
Uber is having a fallen wedge. Keep an eye on Uber. Uber is going to start to soon. On top of that, it has earnings today. But for the gap fill, like I'm looking at the 5 minute. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking at, the 5 minute head and shoulder. You guys can see in the channels that I posted there. I'm using the pre-market high to make a left shoulder on that. So that's where my level at 39.2 came.
Come on, Jemima. I know you want $24, but if we blow past 24, we are going. Oh man, this thing is really gonna take off. Let's go, Jemima. I never doubted you for a minute.
Time frame do you look at? 5 minutes. Assuming you're asking me about me. So there's an echo. Yeah. I don't know where it's coming from. Isn't there like something coming at 10:30 or something? Like someone talking?
Yeah, the Fed. That news I've been dropping. We tell you to watch out for. Stay tuned.
I haven't been looking at shit in the chat.
At 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be trading by 1 o'clock.
My gaming sucks up. Oh, let's go, Sony.
Let's go, Neo. Tank. PT at 38. Yes. Well, I'm not trying because here's the thing. If you guys do look at the hourly on Neo, the hourly on Neo has literally a straight up line. Like you can draw that line from what was this? From the low of 10:28 at 7 a.m. all the way to now. You can literally just draw a straight line, and then you can have that trend line. So now I have Neo bouncing there. If in the hourly, if it were to drop, it wouldn't drop below 38. And if it does, it is most likely gonna come back up in between that range. That's within that hour, so that's gonna be a constant. Like so, it could break below that 38, but it most likely won't be an all-day type thing. So if it cracks a little bit below 38, then I might be looking to sell. Because I also bought pretty much at the top at 39.7. Yeah, right now we're doing the right shoulder and it should drop more. Just like expected. We don't take L's here, we learn our lessons. Yeah, L's stands for lessons. That's a good way to look at it.
Maya, how much are you at? Are you at 19? Please be at 19. Jeremiah's at 19. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Is
go.
it? Damn. I'm a clown for not taking that, bro. You've been on that so long. I
Trick.
know. I even told my friends that trade shares. I said just buy Jumia.
Bro, I ever told bro on the first run I did the same thing. I said get in Jemaya at $10 on the first run. And it went to 20. No, it went to 24. I'm telling you this, it's gonna go higher this time.
Probably. Lots of puts flow coming in, but
Oh wow, Jumia is actually 19. Nice, nice, nice. I think if they have a
yeah.
good earning, they will rock it. They'll fly.
Aren't they like the German Amazon?
Oh no, they're like African, right? Based on Africa, but I think they are kind of from I don't know. I feel like they were run from Europe or something, but they run their operation in Africa. Most I think it's in
Yeah,
Nigeria and other countries.
yeah, it's like yeah, they're in the Middle East. That's why I'm like, bro, you look at like SE, not Amazon, not those and not the rest of the stocks that act like Amazon. Jemire's the only one that's like cheap.
Yeah,
Holy fuck.
and their market cap is really small if you look at like 1.3 billion, right? So that's not a huge and. Africa, like it's a big continent, and there's a lot of opportunity for growth, and they will actually eventually. I mean, if they get their things right, they will.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
it's it's also e e-commerce
Yep.
like shopping all.
Right.
So
Right.
like it has room. It has more room to the upside because when it first came out, it's like what? It's like $40 per share or some shit like that, and then they dropped. Stop it, dog. Stop. Yeah, I ran on the mine like a hawk because they're gonna go. They're gonna run harder this time. Jemaya, PLCR, and Rocket. All right.
No, look at Uber now. Uber is popping off that falling wedge I mentioned. Uber is going higher. Uber has earnings today too. What are my levels on Neo? You guys can see them if you go on the group on the day trade chat. You can see the levels there. So it first needs to crack that 38.45. That's a good level where it bounces so often, and that's pretty much where the gap starts in the 5 minutes. Um, so that's the first one to crack, and then below is 38.16. But like I said, I don't expect it to drop too low. And if it were to drop below 38, I will see it at a 37.8. It's just profit taking time, in my opinion. Might be time to sell Neo. What? If buy breaks 354, all-time high on call. Nice.
So let's go, Jemaya. I'm looking at $20 again. Let me see Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 15K. Yeah, Bitcoin's gonna pull back at 15K. This thing just broke this wall.
Yeah, Nigeria, but German based. That's right. Depends, right? If you're day trading, if you get a good setup, you can get in. But if you're long term, so you probably wanna wait for a pullback. All right, Michelle. Good luck for 3 hours. That's a long meeting. What you are doing? Having some big deals. What happened, Ronnie? It's just gap up and selling up, but as long as the square hold this 70-71 label, should be good. That's
AMC.
previous support and as well as resistance as well. I told a lot of people to get in at 150 for long term.
For what?
Square.
Oh, yeah. Don't they have earnings today?
Yes. Yep. They have earnings today. Don't play earnings. Both ways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So think about it. PayPal went off. They had crazy good earnings.
Yeah, they had like crazy good. Same with the Baba today.
Yeah, and they think I think it was just due to market conditions, but look what happened. PayPal was as low as 170,
Yeah.
164.
Right.
That was 2 days ago. It is back up to 200.
Bro, hold on. You got 7K in Bitcoin. Why are you playing Bitcoin and not the Ripple and all that? Because for Bitcoin, even though they move a lot, though, like the rest of the coins, like Chainlink, Ripple, they're gonna move more. So like for Bitcoin, if we go over 100%, the rest of the coins are gonna go over 1,000%.
Yeah,
That's why I don't get why don't play Bitcoin. Play like Ripple and all that. Because for Bitcoin, if it goes parabolic, those other coins are gonna go parabolic. And last time Ripple went from like 20 cents to like $4.
yeah. And think about it, right? Bitcoin is right what 15K. So if you are thinking one, it's like you are 15K down, and let's say even if it's double, like you made 15K, but if you put like in let's say even Ethereum, it's like what 300 something, 300. I haven't checked price in a while, but 300 something. Ethereum literally was $1,600. So even if Ethereum can actually go at least 3 times, like even if it go $900, you made 3 times then the Bitcoin double, right? So risk reward.
Our coins move only after Bitcoin consolidates. Not true. Not really. Because the last bull run, they all moved when this shit took off. In 2018, you can look at the history too. They all went dummy.
Yeah. Usually like they even if they rotate, but they will like Bitcoin maybe move for 5 days, then altcoin start. So they're gonna move double, right? So it's the same thing.
Dude, Litecoin looks real nice. The thing you could have gotten Litecoin at $30. It's at $59. Look at Bitcoin keep going, bro. It's going up to 18K. I don't know what ATM said a pullback at 15K. What? Oh no, not on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most. Bitcoin is like to me, it's like one of the hardest stocks like leverage because there's so many traps, so many wicks. Shoot, I was getting about 14. I should have leveraged this shit at 14K. All right, Jemiah, what are you doing? 1914. That's what I like to see. Slow and steady wins the race.
That's true.
Went all in, bro. That's your risk management, bro. It's at 1 o'clock on the East Coast. Yeah, so let's be aware. Yeah, it's going up. It's going back up to a 20K. So watch Riot, cause Riot is gonna go gummy. Yeah, but on the last run, they fucking went gummy. They went up to like $40. Yeah, right. It was back. If you look back in time, I was this one. I thought it was 40. No, hold up. Let me check. Oh, what's Riot was Myra? It was one of those two.
What are you talking about?
Oh no, I'm talking to Joey.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
News refusing to drop. I know. Not worried. Let's see. What is there to play? Uber. Yes, sir.
Bro, gold is gonna go dummy. Gold is going back up to a 2K.
But then we just pumped so hard. I just got stopped out now. Damn.
Oh, gold is about to fly. I knew this triangle was here on gold. I'm about to show you my gold chart.
But isn't it a thing that typically when equities are high, gold tanks because they're trying to move in money?
Yeah,
Yeah,
usually
but you got
that's what.
gold is going up because if Biden wins, we are gonna get a bill, right? And where's that money gonna come from? We don't know where that money's gonna come from the STEM bill. So when we get that bill, the dollar is gonna drop, of course.
Did that announce a winner yet? Let's see.
No,
Not
we
yet.
don't.
But we were
What
know
is the?
that Joe's gonna.
I want to see what's the current count at.
But
It's
gold.
still the same thing, 264 to 214. Yeah, I'm just looking at the states right now. Ooh, got that caught invite now. Time to get some words on dubs.
Nah, you need Rocket and Planetary.
Look at Overpop. FedEx is gonna go back up to all-time highs. It's funny.
Wait, who just said a double stop on gold? Do you not see my chart? I just dropped.